So today for you will be Monday. What I'd like you to do today is carry on with some of the work we were doing with perimeter. I want you to try and work out the perimeter of some shapes when not all of the sides are given. Now, as you can see here, I have a rectangle with two of the sides missing. Now, this is a fairly easy one for us to work out. As we know, on a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So this side here must be 30 centimetres, and this side here must be worth 20 centimetres. What we then need to do is work out what the perimeter will be when we add them all up together. 30 add 30 gives me an answer of 60. 20 add 20 gives me an answer of 40. And when I add 60 and 40 together, it gives me an answer of 100. Nice easy one for us to start off with. Okay? 100 centimetres. Don't forget the units, just like I did then. The next one I'm going to show you is slightly more complicated. Now you can see here that there are actually two sides that do not have the measurements given. If we look at the opposite sides from them, we are able to work it out. So let's start with this side here. We know its opposite side is worth 100 centimetres. One part of the side is already 50 centimetres, therefore we need another 50 centimetres to reach 100 centimetres in total. For this side here, it's again a very similar thing. If we look across, we have 80 centimetres on this side, 40 centimetres already made up, so all we need to do is add another 40 centimetres to make 80. That gives me all of my sides already. Now what I'm going to do on a different whiteboard, just so I have room, is actually add these up. So I can do 100, add 50, add 50, which will give me an answer of 200. And then I can do 40 add 40 add 80, or the same as 80 add 80, which gives me an answer of 160. If I add both of those together, it gives me an answer of 360 centimetres. So the perimeter for this shape, when I add all of the sides together, it is 360 centimetres. Final one I'm going to show you, and then you can get on with the sheet yourself, is this one here, where we have a mix match of both centimetres and metres to help us work it out. First one I'm going to try and work out is this one over here. I have 60 centimetres and I have 80 centimetres. When I add those together, I get 120 centimetres. For this one here, I have 1.8 metres. If you convert that to centimetres, you get 180 centimetres. It's then quite easy to work out what else we need. 80 add 100 will make 180 centimetres, and therefore this side here must be worth 100. Again, I'm going to work out on a different board just because it's slightly easier for me. I can do 120 add 120 because I've already worked out that both sides added together are equal 120. That gives me 240. I can also add 180 and 180, which will give me a grand total of 360. When I add both 360 and 240 together, as you can see there, it will give me an answer of, carry the 1, it will give me an answer of 600 centimetres. Okay, so the perimeter for that one is 600 centimetres. When you go on to doing the sheet, make sure that you convert from metres to centimetres first. That is the key for this. Okay, have fun. I will see you tomorrow.